Yes sir, it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. And just like that, guys, the results are in. Just as what we was expecting. I told you guys I expect for AMC to blow expectations out of the water. And as they do, we should get the reaction of what I was expecting. And that's for at least a little bounce, some type of, movement showing us that our news and our catalyst can affect the price action, because I know people is buying. I know people was waiting for these results to come in and be confirmed that AMC is doing, better than expected. So I knew a lot of people were waiting on the sidelines, waiting for the air to be cleared before they make their next move, guys. And like I told you guys, even with all the manipulation going on, even with this going on, this, that, and the third, we still know with so much demand and so much buying pressure, it can overwhelm the manipulation. Like I say, pressure busts pipes, and with so much pressure, it's going to eventually explode and bust, guys. And that's exactly what we will see here if this thing do as we need to do. And also, guys, like I told you guys, during these market conditions, we know it's a crazy market right now. A lot of fear, uncertainty, a lot of stuff is going on. A lot of stuff going on behind closed doors that we don't even know about. And, also stuff that's going on front street that we see clear as day. And with that being said, we know companies can have great news, great earnings, great reports, but still fall down in price action. But being for the fact that AMC was at a key level, a good level, being for the fact that it was already at its lowest points. So it being at its lowest points and it not being in the mid-20s or back in the 30s, that made it more easily for us to get the reaction that we supposed to have got, which is a movement to the upside. We know if we was already trading up a bit, we probably would have got a crazy reaction, which was a pullback. But due to the fact that we already at our lowest points, guys, it had to bust those pipes. So you already know, guys, this is just still the beginning, just the start. It ain't nothing special really happening. We did get a little movement, nothing to be proud of, nothing to be excited over, because we still is in the danger zone, guys, which I know we is going to get out the danger zone with ease, because like I said, guys, everybody is buying right now, because this is a buy zone. And if you was chasing, I would be the first to let you know. But everybody is buying at these levels. So the company had reported a net loss of 52 cents, guys, a share, and revenue of 785 million. Analysts expected a net loss of 63 cents and revenue of 743 million. So we beat expectations by a good bit, guys. AMC also reported crazy attendance, guys, of about 39.1 million people, up from 6.8 million people in the first quarter of 2021. So that's 5x the amount of people that we seen, guys, since last year coming to these theaters. So they're already giving short sellers, anybody that's betting against AMC, are already putting in their head now like, man, I thought people was getting away from these movies. I thought this thing was going bankrupt. I wasn't expecting for that many people to come back to theaters, being for the fact of what's going on and how people started trying to separate with this COVID and all that. But now that's starting to clear up. You're starting to hear less and less about it. People being out in the real world trying to do their thing and live normally. So I do believe there's still a bright future for the movie theater chains. And being for the fact that they have a substantial amount of capital, that they able to utilize that cash and do different amenities, different things within the cinema area, which to make the experience even better, which would then drive even more traffic. Also, like Adam Aaron has said, we had some banger movies that was played that's going to also, when a certain movie come out, I don't care if you're not a movie person or what, you going to go to movie theaters to see that movie on the big screen if it's a movie that you really want to see. And usually whenever it's a movie you really want to see, it's about 100,000, 10,000, a million other people that want to see that same movie as you just as bad. And that's when we get our most attraction at the theaters, whenever those big films come out and people is wanting to watch those in a traditional way on the big screen, guys. So I do believe the theaters will be sticking around, and especially if we could get a new little wave, a new twist, a new, I don't know what it could be, But it could be a new catalyst for AMC to do something else. Invest in, you know, we got the popcorn kiosks they doing. We got AMC investing in gold. We got them doing many different things to try and get ahead of this thing. They even mentioned one time about Chance the Rapper and rappers doing some type of performance at theaters and this, that, and the third. So if we could get, you know, some type of new catalyst, a different type of a new wave going on where the younger generation, the older crowd, they'll like to do it. You know, I feel like that'll be another catalyst that could also get us going, guys. So you already know that's all we got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update, share our expectations on AMC, and, you know, let you guys know this is just the beginning, because this is exactly what we needed during these times where everything is down and out, while everybody's, you know, while everybody feeling bad about the market and all that stuff, guys. For AMC to come through like they did, because this is what we was expecting, for them to come through like that put things at a different perspective, guys. Because as we did see that little bounce, it ain't much. We seen that little bounce in the after hours, up 4%. But did anything else bounce? Everything else still down. Everything else still down. It didn't get that bounce like I was expecting the overall market, but AMC did. And with that being said, it's a whole lot of eyes watching AMC and wondering what their next move is gonna be, because it's a whole lot of capital, whole lot of cash sitting on the sidelines waiting to make their next move, guys. So you already know, be smart, meticulous with your cash, guys. And you already know, it's your boy B Hayes. I love y'all. Edge Boy on Instagram, and we gone.